Hey everyone, so I received the whole line of Africa's Best Coconut Cream line that they have out. But in this video right here, I'm going to be doing a review and demo of the Ultra Conditioning Relaxer System. It says it has a new cuticle stabilizer in it. So it's time for me to get a relaxer. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one on my hair and see how it goes. It's made with pure coconut oil infused with flaxseed, grapeseed, avocado oil, argan oil, and aloe. It says it is a no-lye, single-strength formula for regular and super applications. Her hair is so pretty and healthy looking. Like, oh my gosh. Her hair is absolutely beautiful, the lady on the box. Now this little pack that comes in it is a cuticle stabilizer. It says that it instantly lowers and normalizes hair's pH for healthier relaxing. And then here is the bottom. Oh my god, her hair, is this the same lady? No, that's a different lady because hers is like so pretty as well. Hers is super pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and read the description on the back really quickly and then show you what comes in it, and then I'm gonna actually open it up to show you what comes in it, and then I'm gonna relax my hair. But I'm not gonna relax it on camera. I will show you how it looks in my hair, and then after I've rinsed it out and then styled it and everything, because that'll be a tedious process trying to record me actually applying it, but I'll definitely show you guys the results. It says, Originals by Africa's Best introduces the new Coconut Cream Ultra Conditioning Relaxer System, our first ever single-strength chemical straightening system for an at-home use. This revolutionary formula goes above and beyond the normal no-lye relaxer experience to provide all hair types with the key essentials necessary for healthier, stronger, relaxed hair. Enhanced with 100% coconut milk and infused with flaxseed oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, aloe, and argan oil, this new and improved treatment delivers superior straightening while maintaining hair's natural strength and nutrient-rich moisture. This kit can be used for both regular and super strength relaxing. Just follow the timing guide on the instruction sheet for your hair type. So I'm assuming that you're gonna leave it on longer for it to be super strength. I mean, that's got to be the way. I can't think of anything else. I'm gonna get a little closer and focus it. Inside is everything you need to achieve healthier hair, healthier, beautifully relaxed hair. Each step contains the perfect blend of natural oils and extracts to give added, I am so tongue-tied, to give added strength, shine, softness, and healthier conditioning. Okay, now from left to right, let's get it focused. From left to right, we have the scalp guard, which I'm assuming that is, okay, it says protective scalp base. So I'm assuming that that's petroleum jelly. Then there's the coconut cream conditioner activator, which you put into the relaxer, which is step 2B. Step 3, coconut cream neutralizing hair wash, which is, I'm assuming, the shampoo. And then you put on the cuticle stabilizer after you're done neutralizing the hair. And then you put on your restorative conditioner and then your regenerative dry oil. I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. This will be a first impressions. I've never used this relaxer before. So you got your, this is the relaxer itself. The conditioning activator, so you put this inside of here. Let's see. The neutralizing hair wash. It says color indicator, moisturizing and conditioning shampoo. Quickly neutralizes, helps to rebalance hair's pH level. I'm so sorry, it's been a long day. The cuticle stabilizer instantly lowers pH of the hair, strengthen and improve elasticity. Okay, the dry oil and the conditioner. The protective scalp base. Yes, this is petroleum jelly, but it also comes with a few more ingredients in there. I see coconut oil and shea butter and a few more things in there. So that's like a moisturizing petroleum jelly. And then the instruction packet, which is super pretty because usually when you open up relaxers, you get the black and white piece of paper with all these different languages, and it's just this big old sheet of paper. But this is like an actual booklet, which is really nice, and it's in color. Okay, you got your wooden spatula and your pair of gloves as well. Let me open this up. I think that's really nice that they took the time to put it in color and make it like with pictures and diagrams and stuff, instead of just this big black and white sheet like most companies do. So this is something that I'm just going to look at on my own time, but this is what the instruction packet looks like. It's, you know, it walks you through the steps, whether you're putting a relaxer for the first time, or you're putting a relaxer following up, or you're doing regular or normal strength. So that's what's all in the box. Now let's move on to the next. So this is what the petroleum jelly scalp guard looks like. It's kind of creamier than just regular petroleum jelly, and it looks like it got like a little pearliness to it, and the color goes on really nice and easy. This is what my hair is looking like with the base applied. I applied it around the perimeter and down the T-zone, down and across. I got it sectioned off into 4 sections, and now I'm going to get ready to apply the relaxer. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like with the relaxer applied. I got it at the new growth, and then I went ahead and applied it around the perimeter and then smoothed it out, which is why it looks like this right now. I'm going to leave it on for a few minutes, and then I'm going to go wash it out and go through the steps, and then I'll come back when it's all rinsed out. I just got done shampooing. I shampooed about twice. What I do like about the shampoo is that it's a thinner consistency, so it's easier to spread over your hair and get it in really good. It's not real thick. And also the relaxer is super easy to rinse out, like before you even get to the shampoo step. Like how some relaxers, the relaxer is just really thick and you have to rinse and rinse and rinse before you even get to the shampoo step. Like it literally was so easy to rinse it out. Like I probably rinsed it out within 3 or 4 minutes, and then I was ready for the shampoo step. The shampoo, it smells just like coconut. It smells just like coconut, but I like the coconut scent, so I like how the line smells. Now I'm gonna get ready to move on to the cuticle stapler. Gonna get ready to use this. It is supposed to lower your hair's pH to strengthen and improve elasticity. So you put it on your hair and you let it sit for 2 minutes, and then you rinse after that. And then you move on to the conditioner step. So I'm going to go ahead and open that, show you what it looks like, apply it to my hair, leave it for 2 minutes, rinse it, and move on to the conditioner step. This is what the cuticle stapler looks like. It's a clear, thin consistency. It's really clear. That's what it looks like. What my hair looks like with the cuticle stabilizer in it. It's just clear and thin. And it went on pretty easily, so just showing you up close what it looks like. Okay, so I just rinsed the cuticle stuff out of my hair, and it gave it a lot of slip. Like my hair has a ton of slip. When I was rinsing it out, it was just like butter, like literally. Excuse my mascara running because I'm getting water everywhere. But this is how the conditioner looks. Just want to show you that right quick. It's like a lotion consistency. And it smells good, just like coconut. I'm going to go ahead and apply the entire packet to my head now. Okay, I've applied the conditioner now. It's sitting in my hair. The instructions say to leave it on for 2 minutes and rinse out. And I'm actually just going to leave it in. I usually leave it in at least like 10 or 15 minutes. But I'm going to leave it in for just 2 minutes because it's getting late and my kids are on the way home. So I have to like speed it up now. But I just want to show you what it looks like in my hair. This is the entire packet. I like how it's actually going into my hair and not just sitting on top of my hair like some conditioners just sit there. But this is like actually looks like it's, you know, you can't even tell I got conditioner on my hair. Like it just looks like my hair is wet because the conditioner is absorbing. Gonna go ahead and rinse this out. I am gonna apply my Creme of Natural Arganol leave-in conditioner in, and then I'm going to use the dry oil that came in the packet as like a heat protectant. Use that, and I'm gonna blow dry it and I'm gonna flat iron it. And then, ladies and gentlemen, I will be done. Relaxer day is a job. I'll be done after that. So far, so good. I like it. I can tell that my hair, it definitely took very well, especially for how quickly I put it in and rinsed it out. It definitely straightened my hair to my liking, but I'll definitely be able to tell once I'm done with the final step and everything and I come back. So yeah. Okay, so this is what the dry oil looks like right here. It smells just like coconut. It's very liquidy, kind of like water. And I'm basically going to be using it as a heat protectant right before I blow dry.